Today, we're gonna be doing something that most people don't do to a $1,300 phone. We're breaking down a Samsung S26 Ultra. But first, before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and help me get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Let's go ahead and continue. Now, not just a camera, not just a battery. I'm talking about everything inside this phone that makes it one of the most powerful smartphones ever made. And once you see what Samsung packed into this thing, you're gonna be wondering why other smartphones can't keep up. Let's jump right into this video. Privacy display. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has a few new features in its utility belt. Now, what's brand new is a privacy display. It's like having a privacy screen protector that you can turn on and off, and it's built right into the S26 Ultra screen. It's definitely unique because it can black out the entire screen or just part of it, like blacking out your notifications or passwords. That's crazy. And of course, you had a now bar located on a lock screen and the notification bar. It's used to control stuff like music, timers, and tons of things. Cameras. You still have a 200 megapixel main lens, 50 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel selfie cam. The main camera delivers stunning results in almost any situation, from detailed nature shots with flowing water and textured rocks to vibrant outdoor portraits with natural skin tones and balanced sunlight. Indoors, it handles lighting and shadows effortlessly, keeping faces sharp and scenes bright. Even busy environments like mall displays stay incredibly detailed, while close-up shots capture rich colors, clear textures, and a soft background blur that makes subjects stand out. The selfie camera captures sharp facial details, natural skin tones, and expressive features, whether you're outside in bright daylight or indoors under soft lighting. Background elements like trees, homes, or indoor decor remain clear and colorful, giving each selfie depth. Even at night, the cameras keep faces well lit and crisp while preserving the surrounding scene, creating vibrant selfies that look clean, bright, and full of life. This optical zoom photo captures sharp detail from a distance, keeping the subject crisp while beautifully preserving vibrant colors, from the bright yellow sneakers to the soft tones of the striped top, for a clear, natural looking photo. Now, digital zoom is interesting because Samsung goes up to 100x, starting at 0.6 and going all the way to 100x. And surprisingly, you can reassign clearly. Look at that. Ultra wide pictures are pretty wide at 0.6, which catches more of your surroundings. Samsung does have a brand new feature called horizontal lock video. Basically, it locks the rotation so handheld footage stays perfectly level. Display. Samsung has some of the best displays in the market. Size-wise, you're looking at 6.9 inches. Now, indoors, the screen gets really bright, up to 2,600 nits. The screen also has a bit upgrade. It simulates a 10-bit display, which means smoother color banding on photos and videos, which will make all of your photos brighter and more detailed. Battery. You should be surprised that Samsung has had the same battery for the past 6 years. I'm talking about a 5,000 milliamp battery. What's up with that? But the charging speeds is a different story. The S26 Ultra can now use a 60-watt charger, meaning it can charge from 0 to 75% just in 30 minutes and to 100% around 40 to 50 minutes. And don't be surprised that wireless charge is still a 25 watts battery, so it's going to take your phone rough by 2 hours to fully charge. Go figures. Now the battery is designed to last a full day and a half if you use it for normal uses. But if you're a power user and you fall victim to doom scrolling or doing a whole bunch of crazy stuff on your phone, then don't expect a full day. One of the funnest AI features is photo editing. You can edit your photos by typing whatever you want to change, which is brand new to Samsung, like changing the background from daytime to nighttime, or changing the color of your shirt to whatever color you want it to be, which is super cool. You can have your clothes changed into anything like a police officer uniform. All you do is type it in and there you go. You're a police officer. What about photo erasing? You can select what you want to delete and then it disappears. It works perfectly except for anything behind it, like my Spider-Man t-shirt. Let's take it to another level because you can take another image from your gallery, like my strawberry drink, yay. And once the subject is selected, type exactly how you wanted to add the cup and bam, your water bottle turns into a delicious strawberry drink. Then you have audio erasing. Just play a YouTube video and then you could sit there, go on a quick setting, and you could adjust the strength of the background noise. That way you could hear the voices much clearer. Samsung also has 3 different assistants: Gemini, Bixby, and a brand new one called Perplexity. It's like a super up-to-date search assistant. The S26 Ultra has a lot of new cool features, especially with its newly advanced AI. Now, my question is, which feature do you like the most? Just let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel and you made it this far, just go ahead and hit that like button. It's a no-brainer. And subscribe to the channel and help me reach 5,000 subs by the end of this year. All right. Well, if you have any questions, let me know. Until next one, guys, I'll see you guys later.